Hi, today in front of me Poco M5s and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap here to open the app. Click yes, I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 25.3 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.